I think there's an unfortunate reality in our society that we are disconnected from wisdom of child raising, and that's something that is fairly modern. Not so long ago, we were more respectful of the knowledge that came down through the generations. We knew things just because we saw them practice in our household, and we were able to repeat them, to recreate them in our own family lives. We've now come to a place where not only are we disconnected from how our grandmother raised our parents, but we often want to do things completely opposite of how they were done when we were children. So where do we go? Where do we go to find our answers? So we often go to various sources of knowledge, books, internet, and they often disagree with each other. So I found that actually that source of wisdom that perhaps my grandmother would have passed down to me is in me. And so far, I am blessed to have a relationship with my kids that is not only hierarchical, it has a great deal of hierarchy in which they respect me and they know who's boss and they come to me for answers and they follow me, my instructions in a way that I'm fairly satisfied with. I also have a resource of correction, which also I find works through communication and other, respectful means. And I also have an amazing friendship. And that's a relationship that I couldn't have painted better. So far, so good. So far, so good. And I find that through just connecting with that deep source of self, of intuition within me, and not being dependent on what everyone around me will say, and 10 years from now may or may not work, is working for me so far.